I have this portable handheld turbo fan here that was sent to me as a gift to review, and it did not disappoint. It's actually pretty cool. So what you can do is you can use these, you can use this 3 different ways. You can use it as a desk fan, and you can just kind of set it like this, and it'll point to you while you're sitting down. Just lay it on a table or something, which is pretty cool. You can hold it if you want, and while you're just holding it while it's blowing air in your face, or you can also tie this around your neck and just let it blow air on you. Summer's right around the corner. In some places, like here in Texas, it's already getting pretty hot, in the high 90s. So this definitely helps, with the hot weather. So this has 5 different speeds. And I don't know if you can see here, but it has 5 different speeds. It might be a little loud, but there's the one. You can see it tells you the battery level right here. So this one's about 75% charged. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't know how loud it is, through the phone, but from here it is a little loud. But it's definitely strong, and I can feel it really, really good in my face. So you see here, this is where it takes the air, and this is where it blows it out. Another thing that I really like about this, I think is one of the best features, which a lot of stuff is really updated now, but it's rechargeable. Back then you would have to replace the batteries and buy more batteries, but now you can just recharge it. And so it can actually last between 3 hours and 12 hours, just depending. If you use it speed 1, it'll last about 12 hours. If you do speed 2, it'll be about 10 hours. Speed 3, 7 hours. Speed 4, 5 hours. Speed 5, about 3 hours. So you can use this at its max capacity, and it'll last about 3 hours for you. But then again, it just depends on what speeds. You might have it at 1, and then at 5, then at 3. So it just really all depends. But it does last for, in my opinion, a really long time, just for this compact size fan. And you can definitely take it wherever. And another cool thing that you can do is, if you get tired of wearing this around your neck and you don't want to carry this anymore, you can just unclip it from here, and then boom, just stick it wherever you want to put it, to store it or whatnot. Or if you just want to carry it and you just don't want to be having this hanging there while you're holding it, you can do that. So I just think it's a pretty cool fan overall, and definitely be useful if you're gonna be out like at the beach, or just out during the day when it's really, really hot. Like I said, especially here in Texas, it gets really hot. So I'm definitely gonna be using this more than I think I am.